What's up, creators? It's me, Lady Hill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a link in bio. Okay, so I have something similar. I'm just updating mine to whatever, and I needed to do some stuff. So I went and I created the whole thing for you like this, and you can change everything in Canva. So in the Canva, in Canva. So right now, when you do connect your Canva to like GHL or whatever, you only can use like one thing or whatever. Because if you do multiple or whatever, it's not gonna work. But I'm pretty sure they're gonna fix that. So if you can do multiple pages at a time. So I kind of created you a very simple. Oh my glory! What happened to this? Did this change? Oh no, I thought I did a template. Did I do a template that I should? Oh my Jesus. Okay, so I have a template for you guys, and you can kind of play with this. These are nothing but, the thing to go in there. So if you need to move it over, whatever, you can do it. But this kind of like your background or whatever. So I have a background here, and then I have a big background in the back. Okay, that's how I design this. But you can design this to do whatever you want to do, to say whatever you want to say, right? Because let's just say, for example, if I Holy Spirit activate. I don't know what I just put that thing in, but I just had it somewhere. Anyway, let's say if I had this, and I just say edit, and then I'm just gonna say make a copy, so I can remember what it's called. Bio link share. Okay. So if I wanted to make it something pretty, right, versus basic, then I'll just come over here. And like right now, I'm doing the whole, share your faith challenge or whatever. So I can do something like this versus, share your faith. All right. And then I'm just going to position this, position it in the back. I mean, I can do that, but that'll be ugly. So I can do this accordingly. Then again, I can adjust this to how I want to adjust that. But if I want it like that, and I think that's pretty dope. If I don't want that there, I don't have to, but that's just a placeholder for my picture. And then I'm just gonna say bio. I'm just gonna say update. Now, in Canva right now, when you connect your Canva, they only do like one. You know how on Canva you have multiples, but I'm sure they're gonna be updating this. So now I have that design here. Guess what? I don't have to download it, put it over there. I literally click right here on my asset. This is background, and make sure the images feel here. I'm gonna say image. I'm gonna go down here to where it says Canva. Okay, and then this is like an updated one. So I'm gonna hit this, and it lets me edit in Canva, so I can see it from there. But I can import this to my media library. Bio update link. Just remember kind of what it says. Okay. Bio update link. There we go. Bam. Boom. All right. And we have that there with the Share Your Faith Challenge. Okay. That's how it looks on mobile. That's how it looks on thing. Right here, I have my name. If I wanted to add something else, I can. Right here, I need to update. I have each of my TikToks and all that good stuff right here, but I need to update some stuff. So a bio link is nothing but your links and bios. So I need to update all of this. So when I come over here, this needs to go to my Facebook group. So basically, I'm just gonna come over here. I'm gonna come out of here real quick. I'm gonna go to Facebook because I don't know the exact link. Because when I fool with it, I realize, oh, I don't have my things updated. So somebody just asked to request. Welcome, Dion. Welcome to our commode. All right. I'm just gonna say share. I'm gonna copy the link. Once I copy this link, it's gonna go to this website. Okay. And I always just press save for my YouTube channel. Okay. I don't know if that's right. It might be, might not be. No, it's not. It's probably not. Oh no, it goes to the right place. Okay, it goes here. Perfect. All right, my TikTok. I just need to make sure that it goes there, goes to the right place. That's how you update all your links. Make sure everything is everything, and it's going to my TikTok. Okay, then right here, I need to make sure it's going to the right Instagram. Even though I am not on Instagram, I forgot what my Instagram page is. The Lady Hell. That's where it needs to go. So I need to copy because I didn't have my Instagram updated, right? And save. So now I should go to my TikTok, my Instagram, all this good stuff. It should be at the right spot. All right. So now we're at the right spot. Yay! Woohoo! Okay, so we're at the right spot there. Now I got to go to church with me, and that's the YouTube at One Gen Church. Yada yada. Okay, trauma content generator. That's there. Join the AI club. There for free. That should link straight to our AI community. Okay, and it does. All right. Join my free Facebook group. Okay, I guess I kind of don't really need it there because it's kind of there twice. But just in case. It's kind of a little overkill, right? Because this goes to the group, but it is what it is. 5-day social media accelerator. Do I really want to go in there? I might not want that there. I guess it's still active. Then guess what? You can join it. Okay. You want to chat with me? Chat with me for free. So let's put this up there. Okay. Oh my God. All right, Facebook group. All right, you want 5-day accelerators. Okay, this one, let's take this off. And this, let's take this off for right now. Okay. So right now, these are the kind of like the only things that I want up. Oh, okay. So let's say, hey, I want them to sign up for the Share Your Faith challenge. So basically, I come over here, you see these buttons. You can turn these buttons any color that you want, even this stuff right here. You can go and you can change the colors and all of that. So if we want the colors to be blue, red, whatever color you want. Okay, so go and change colors. Go down and change the colors to everything. You can change your colors. All these are changing colorable. Okay, so you can change those colors to whatever you want to. If you want them yellow, you want them whatever, right? So now let's say, okay, hey, because most of this stuff is free stuff, right? You can put links to whatever you want to. But I got a bunch of free stuff, and I'm gonna say, hey, I want to duplicate this, just a duplication right there. And the only thing I'm gonna say is, let's see, how is this written? Okay, bam. The main text is gonna be share. Say participant, sign up to share your faith, right? And then I'm gonna say, I'm just gonna say, are you a business owner that for a community to share your faith with like-minded believers? Today, and share your faith, right? Sign up today, share your faith, and then I just need the website for that because I don't remember where it is. Boom. Let me find it because I got something. Yeah, this right here. And then let's go in here and just make sure that all our links are working, right? Okay, and it is. Yay. And then we put it here, and then we're going to say save, right? So now that we have pressed save, I'm just going to say publish. All right, and so now Our link in bio page is ready. Excuse me. Our link in bio page is ready to go. So I have some cards and stuff that has all this stuff on here, and I need to rescan my cards and make sure now that it goes to where it needs to. It does what it needs to do. Okay. So right now I'm just gonna test my card and I'll show you in just a second what that looks like. I'm just gonna scan my card now because when I had scanned my cards earlier, it wasn't scanning. All right, stuff coming up right now on my phone. It has an error. Why is it giving me an error? There we go. Oh man, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Y'all should see this on how this look on my page. It looks pretty. Yeah, it goes to the link now. Oh, this is fire. This is fire. I'm testing it now on my thing. It looks so pretty on mobile. Finish contract. Okay. My Instagram is working. All right. Yeah. And I love how I can update and change this at any time, which is awesome. Okay. But now my link in bio page is done. It's shared there. Okay. So I believe it's, and they also have now these, and I can always change this stuff too, but it has this schema markup. Okay. And I can say add schema page. All right. Organization. That's cool. Oh, that's dope. You can, say okay. Oh, that's cool. You can do a description of the organ. Oh, that's nice. Oh my gosh. That's dope. Yes, Creative Space Academy. Oh, that's dope. Okay, I'm not gonna do it right now, but that's dope. I like that. So anyway, you can just publish, but you can actually do schema and all that good stuff like that. All right. So praise get off of this. So now you have your link in bio. You see how I created it. You see how it's created, all that good stuff like that. The next thing that you want to do, which is under here, is go to your QR codes. Okay. Once you go into QR codes, I have a QR code that I have already created, which is on my card. Okay. So I can update this at any time. Okay. So this path choice, this is on my business. I have a business card and I'm going to show you that business card, what it looks like. But basically, this is how you do it. You create a QR code and you can name it whatever you want to name it, right? So I'm just going to name mine, link in bio, just so you can see. Okay. Link in bio. And no matter what you put it on, you can always update it from the system. That's what makes this amazing. You pick your you said, hey, this goes to a website. Then you normally let you pick the website, but this one doesn't. So mine is, I think it's HTTPS the ladyladiehell.com/link in bio. I just always put 2 D's in there. The Lady Hell link in bio. You just copy that. But I thought it was a way to, maybe not. Okay. Oh, well, there's funnel, but it don't let you pick the thing. Okay, cool. So you can just do that. Just make sure you have your stuff, right? Then you say save. Then obviously you can put your background. You can pick whatever you want to. If you want to put a logo there, you can put a logo. You can browse, do your own thing, whatever. Put a mini logo or something. Do what you want to do. But let's say I just want to put that. Which is totally fine. it'll come over here, say move. You can also, but we want this, separate that. And if you want a color, something behind your logo. Oh no, you can't see that. So obviously you want it white. And then you just say save. Okay. Once you say save, you can scan this, you can scan it now, but you can download it and you can tell it you want to download it PNG, SVG, whatever, right? Whatever you want. This is mine. So if I go over here now that I have this PNG, I went and made a business card, okay? Now my business card can be updated at any time or wherever I have this at. So in Canva, okay, and I got mine printed at 4 over, okay? So once I got that, I just need to search business card. I made these last year. If I can find how I labeled them. I don't even know where. Maybe I labeled them 4 over or something. There they go. Because I had to do this a couple of times to actually get it right. So my bleeds and all this stuff will be right and all that good stuff. So anyway, bleed card. And as you see, I have the front and the back of my card. So as y'all see, I made this whole card in Canva. I'll share the template because I know y'all say, can we have that link too? Y'all was getting some from me, which is not a problem. So I'll do a live link there. And you can go and you can play with yours accordingly if you like that style. Maybe you don't like that style, okay? And this is the Canva business card. I have to make sure I include this stuff so you guys be like, you're asking for it. And I'm like, I don't know. All right. But basically it's 2 business cards. And this is kind of like the size. And you can kind of see how everything looks. And this right here, where it's like the M, I needed to move this like kind of, actually make this a little smaller because this cut off like here when I have it over there. So I need to make this smaller and put this like right there. Okay. I'm just telling y'all because I'm looking at my card because I had approved it and didn't think about it. But anyway, as long as your text is within here, you're going to be good. Because this like this, I didn't necessarily have a problem with that if I want to move this over so you can see me a little bit more, whatever. But all it is I created this in Canva, okay? And I shared these cards. I give them out free. I give them out free locally at events and all types of stuff. And this right here is like access to one of my free courses, which is called 9-Step Marketing System. And you'll see over here. And I can update this course. You don't have to be the 9-Step Marketing System. It can be anything. I just did that because I like to have my cards interactive. But if you scan it, it goes there. Okay. So that's when I started putting this on anything. And now this connects to certain things. So if I want to also put on there like, hey, sign up for our creative updates or something like that. You want to get updates from me? Boom, get my updates, whatever. So whatever you want to put on there, that's how you do your link and bio card. So I hope this helped you. I hope this class is beneficial for you and enjoy it. And I can't wait to see what you create. So go and show me your creations. Go make your cards. Change out the background. Do something a little different. As y'all see, I ain't do nothing but just, you're gonna be like, hell, how did you do that? I forgot, but I remember this was a cool card I seen somebody do on Canva. Well, they actually did it for something else. And I was like, oh, that'll make a fly business card. And I just did it on Canva. But you go ahead and make that. Okay. So hope you like that. All right. Bye.